Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Polkadot from your Tangem wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding DOT and want to move it to a secure exchange like Gemini for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your Gemini account ready. You'll need your Gemini wallet address handy. Head over to Gemini's website, log in, and navigate to the deposit section for Polkadot. Copy that address carefully, it's your key to a successful transfer. Now, grab your Tangem wallet device. Unlock it by entering your PIN on the wallet's screen. Once you're in, select the Polkadot asset from your list of holdings. Tangem makes this easy with its user-friendly interface, so look for the dot icon or search for it if needed. Next, initiate the transfer. Tap on the Send or Transfer option for Polkadot. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, that's the one you copied from Gemini. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of DOT you want to send. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which for Polkadot might be around 0.01 to 0.1 DOT depending on network congestion in 2025. After that, review the transaction details on your Tangem screen. It will show you the amount, the address, and estimated fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction using your wallet's secure method, like a button press or biometric if available. Once confirmed, your Tangem wallet will broadcast the transaction to the Polkadot network. Sit tight while the network processes it. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on Polkadot's blockchain speed in 2025. Head back to Gemini and check your account. You should see the DOT arriving soon. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Polkadot. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like Tangem for better security, and keep an eye on gas fees to avoid surprises. If you run into any issues, Gemini's support or the Tangem community forums are great resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.